What do I remember about 87? Well, first thing, I was in a nightclub in Bethcall with my wife on a Friday night, and I had a phone call, and the nightclub owner came and got me. I was actually on the dance floor with my wife, saying that you had a phone call of Ray Williams from Australia or New Zealand, and he needs to speak to you in half hour time. You need to come home. No, I thought it was a wind-up, because the following day I was going on tour with Cardiff to Benidorm for the week, and we had £10,000 in the tour kitty, and I had a kit bag full of Peacock's leisure clothes. I don't forget it. It was unbelievable. I didn't know whether to take the phone call, you know, like, because we had a great team spirit in Cardiff for them days, and we were really looking forward to going to Benidorm for the week. And I got myself home, and then the phone call duly arrived, and there it was. Like Tuesday, I was on the plane on the way out there, and like 29, 30 hours later, I arrived, stiff as a post.